Why traditional baseball stats misrepresent pitchers. When we think about baseball, many of us recall the classic statistics like wins and earned run average. But have you ever wondered if these numbers truly reflected a pitcher's skill? Let's break it down. Traditional baseball statistics often misrepresent pitchers because they depend on factors that are beyond a pitcher's control. For instance, wins are influenced by the team's offensive support and the performance of the bullpen. If a pitcher throws a great game but the offense fails to score, they may end up with a loss. Earned run average, commonly known as ERA, can also be misleading. It takes into account all runs allowed, including those that may result from errors or poor defensive plays. This means a pitcher's ERA can be inflated or deflated by the quality of the defense behind them. Another statistic, batting average on balls in play, measures how often balls hit into play become hits. This number can fluctuate wildly based on defensive skill and luck, rather than a pitcher's ability. What a pitcher can control are outcomes like strikeouts, walks, and home runs allowed. Traditional stats do not focus on these critical aspects. Instead, they include all runs allowed, which can lead to skewed evaluations. To address these issues, Sabermetrics and defense-independent pitching statistics have emerged. These advanced metrics focus on outcomes that pitchers can directly influence. For example, fielding-independent pitching, often referred to as FIP, concentrates on strikeouts, walks, and home runs. It ignores balls in play to give a clearer picture of a pitcher's performance. There are also adjusted versions like expected fielding-independent pitching, known as xFIP, which normalizes home run rates to league averages. This helps reduce variability and offers a more accurate assessment of a pitcher's skill. Modern analytics have taken this a step further by incorporating detailed data such as pitch velocity, movement, and location. These factors refine evaluations even more. When comparing players from different eras, traditional stats can distort the picture. Changes in defense quality, ballpark factors, and scoring environments can affect these numbers unevenly over time. Advanced metrics provide a more consistent basis for evaluating pitchers across different periods by focusing on controllable outcomes. In practical terms, relying on traditional stats like wins and earned run average can lead to poor decisions in player evaluation and game strategy. Teams are increasingly using Sabermetrics and defense-independent stats to assess pitchers' true abilities. This shift reflects a more accurate understanding of pitching performance beyond what traditional statistics reveal. By focusing on what pitchers can control, we can better evaluate their performance and make smarter decisions in the game.